Trump's potential win could significantly shake up the stock market. Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're delving into the intriguing world of stocks and politics. Specifically, we're talking about what a potential Trump victory in the upcoming election could mean for your investments. We'll cover the top 5 stocks that might benefit if Trump wins, and at the end, we'll reveal an interesting bonus topic that you won't want to miss. So, stick around. First, let's set the stage. Recently, Donald Trump had a close call at a rally in Butler, Pennsylvania, where there was an assassination attempt. Thankfully, he's safe, but events like this can send shockwaves through the stock market. With the US presidential election just around the corner, Wall Street is buzzing with speculation on how a potential change in administration might impact the markets. Under President Biden, the S&P 500 has surged around 45%, driven by robust performances in the energy, tech, and industrial sectors. However, as election day nears, the conversation is shifting towards a possible Trump trade. So, what exactly is a Trump trade? It's a market move influenced by the policies and potential actions of a Trump administration. Back in 2016, when Trump first took office, we saw a similar trend. His policies on deregulation, tax cuts, and boosting domestic manufacturing had a significant impact on specific sectors. Fast forward to 2024, and analysts are speculating that we might see a repeat if Trump wins again. Let's dive into the top 5 stocks that could benefit from a Trump 2.0 administration. First up is Carpenter Technology Corporation, ticker symbol CRS. This Pennsylvania-based company specializes in producing specialty metals like titanium alloys and stainless steels. These materials are primarily used in the defense, medical, and industrial sectors. Despite some mixed earnings in Q3 of 2024, Carpenter Technology has been a top performer. Over the last year, the stock is up over 90%, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. With strong bookings across end markets and a record-high backlog, CRS is well positioned for continued growth. Next, we have Western Midstream Partners, ticker symbol WES. This Texas-based midstream energy operator focuses on processing and transporting natural gas liquids, and crude oil. The stock is up more than 50% in the past year, making it a top performer in the oil and gas storage and transportation sector. Western Midstream Partners has shown strong production activity and higher levels of system operability, which have driven profitability. With a forward dividend yield of 8.6%, this stock is definitely one to watch. Moving on, let's talk about Argan Incorporated, ticker symbol AGX. Argan is a construction and engineering company with 3 primary business segments: power industry services, industrial construction, and telecommunications/infrastructure services. This stock has been on a tear, up 76% in the past year. Argan is uniquely positioned to benefit from the onshoring of manufacturing operations, driven by federal grants and tax incentives. With a project backlog of $824 million, including nearly $300 million in renewable projects, Argan is set for continued growth. Now, let's discuss Wells Fargo & Company, ticker symbol WFC. This diversified banking giant has had a roller coaster year, but it's still up over 30% in the past year. Analysts believe that big banks like Wells Fargo could benefit from less stringent capital and liquidity rules under a Trump administration. Despite a dip following its Q2 2024 earnings, Wells Fargo remains a strong contender in the financial sector. With 24 consecutive years of dividend payments, this stock offers both stability and growth potential. Last but not least, we've got L3Harris Technologies, ticker symbol LHX. This defense contractor focuses on U.S. national security and offers a wide portfolio of technologies in space, air, sea, land, and cyber domains. L3Harris has shown strong operational performance, with revenue increases in its space systems and intelligence and cyber divisions. With the U.S. government as its largest customer, L3Harris is well positioned to benefit from increased Pentagon spending. The stock has beaten EPS expectations for 8 straight quarters and boasts 34 consecutive years of dividend payments. Before we move on to our bonus topic, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Now, for our bonus topic. Let's talk about another stock that's been flying under the radar but could see a significant boost if Trump wins the election, General Motors, ticker symbol GM. With Trump's focus on boosting domestic manufacturing and modernizing the military, companies like General Motors, which have a strong presence in both sectors, could stand to benefit significantly. GM has already been making strides in electric vehicle technology and autonomous driving, sectors that are likely to see continued growth regardless of the political landscape. However, a Trump administration could provide additional tailwinds through favorable policies and incentives. So, there you have it. These are the top stocks to watch if Trump wins the election, along with a bonus pick that's definitely worth keeping an eye on. Politics can play a big role in stock markets, and it's always important to do your own research before making any investment decisions. Stocks have enjoyed a solid run under Biden, but with the potential for volatility as we approach the election, it's crucial to stay informed and be prepared for any market moves. That's all for today's video, folks. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, leave your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about the Trump trade? Are there any other stocks you're keeping an eye on? Let me know. Until next time, happy investing.